So here's how you can clear liked videos at once on YouTube on the iPad, and let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, what you need to do is to open up your web browser and go to the myactivity.google.com, which is like a great platform for Google tracking and all of the activity within Google. And just make sure you sign in to your account, right? Obviously, it has to be the one from which you liked the videos. And of course, you can browse through your YouTube activity in general like that, but you can also click on or locate the link in the description. Just make sure you are like signed into the My Activity, and you can go to that link, which will specifically move you over to the YouTube likes section. And in there, you'll be able to browse them like that. You'll be able to just delete them all from specific days or some other areas, but you also have the option to tap on the three dots at the top and basically just delete it all right here. So that's how it works generally, right, on the My Activity section, which I really like because it just puts everything together for me. So it just, I find it to be very useful, but you can still go to your YouTube app as usual and check out your check out your playlists. One of them is of course going to be the liked videos, and you'll be able to just also manually unlike all of those clips there if you wish. So I guess that would work too. But yeah, that's kind of how you can do this. Let me know if you managed to do it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.